Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Slide Master. This is where themes live and breathe. Once opened, duplicate an existing master or create a new one so you don't alter the original. You want base fonts, color palette, and effects defined at the master level. This saves time later. Make sure to name each master clearly. It helps when you assign themes per slide. Now select the specific layout you'll use on the first slide and apply the master you prepared so the process begins cleanly. Now you assign different themes to individual slides. Select the slide you want to change and go to Design. Pick a variant or browse for themes to apply a saved theme. If you created multiple masters, right-click the slide and choose Layout to switch to a layout tied to a specific master. This attaches that master's theme to that slide. Once done, fine-tune background, font, and color pieces so slides feel cohesive yet distinct. Mixing selectively prevents visual chaos. Finish by reviewing your deck in Slide Sorter to check theme transitions and overall flow. Transitions should look intentional. If fonts or colors clash, use Replace Fonts and the color replacement tools to standardize quickly. If a slide breaks, looks off, or loses layout, reapply its master or use Design Browse for themes to load the original theme file again. One key tip: save each custom theme as a THMX so you can reapply or restore quickly if things go wrong, avoiding manual fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.